In this video, I'll be showing you how to see your YouTube Wrapped for 2025 instantly. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually very easy to do, but all you want to do is go to your browser of choice. We're going to be using Safari for this method, and then just go ahead to the URL search bar and type in youtube.com/recap. Just make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account on your browser before you do this. But once you type that in, all you want to do is press search, and then it's going to look something like this. It's going to say looking for your 2025 recap. Recap is available in the YouTube app. So all I want to go ahead and do is press open YouTube right there. And then it's going to say open this page in YouTube. Go ahead and click open like so. And then what you're going to see is this section right here. And basically your YouTube Wrapped should show up right here. If it doesn't, it's because it's slowly rolling out to each country right now. It is rolling out currently in the UK where I am, but I don't see it right now. So literally any minute or any hour, it should be here. Just keep checking the profile section and just make sure you're on the right account. And then eventually you're going to see your YouTube Wrapped right here. But yeah, it's as simple as that.